Okay, well, I guess I'll see you in a few hours. I'm still admiring my nice stucco patch that I did there. It looks like a professional did it. In fact, it even looks like there's no patch there at all. And the one over there, you remember that patch over there? It was just it was kind of small, but hey, you can't even see it now. And my stairs, you should have seen those stairs before I started, especially these two. I replaced these two stairs here. I ended up having to remove the entire flooring that was all dry rotted. I ended up skimming out all of these stairs, priming them, painting them, sealing them, caulking them, patching them. All that stuff is on my channel. Every last little bit of this project. Here's the concrete pavers. Look how thick those are. And they're 2 foot square. Those things weigh close to 100 pounds. I keep saying 90 to 100 pounds. I should get a scale out here and hold one. Those things are so heavy. I don't know why they make them so heavy, but hey, that's just what they do. And so all of those are going to go down when I get done with this flooring and the membrane and getting everything tied in. I'm getting close. I got another couple things I want to do to this floor before I put these concrete pavers down. So I'm not done with this project yet. So I hope you keep watching my videos after this one, because I've got more to show you on this floor. Oh yeah. Well, it's been 5 hours, believe it or not. I should have got here earlier. We went out for lunch, and see, it's all nice and dry. It's plenty dry. Plenty, I'll say. And so I've got to get on it because it's going to be dark in about 2.5 hours, but that gives me plenty of time to get this on and plenty of time for it to dry, I think, and skin over before it gets too late. Okay, cool.